there's the prep.
This is one piece. So as you can tell, there's like nothing like inserted. This is how it was printed.
One piece?
This is one piece. And this is when it literally comes fresh off the 3D printer. So it's like still very like rough and everything. This is also not, oh no, this is already ready made.
But then we broke it on the roadshow.
Yeah, we broke this. This is one of our old ones. Actually, I have that printed there. I hate it. It's so ugly.
This one? Yeah.
This is the pioneer. This is what started it all.
Yeah.
This is.
I actually think I'm doing like a wall of the first one.
Yeah.
Until now.
That'd be nice.
So Oqni is an organization that empowers amputees through innovation. So we have well-being solutions as well as bionic prosthetics and 3D printed prosthetic covers. So all three projects that we are doing is all about empowering amputees, whether it is psychologically or physically. So we like to see ourselves as a startup NGO because we are non-profit at our heart, yet we are very much a startup in the sense that we push boundaries, we are inventing new products, and we really much have like a strong ambition to really grow. So where we see our future is that we actually empower amputees worldwide, not just through our physiotherapy app, but also through our prosthetic covers and even with our research into bionic prosthetics.
Both Heike and I witnessed the war from another country and felt completely devastated, like so many of us around the world, and knew that we had knowledge and expertise that we could share with our community in our country and bring a little bit of what we've learned outside here. So after the war we moved here and very randomly met through friends. Heike had this incredible idea, all like a little crazy. We had lunch and then the rest is history and okay.
So everything that we're going to be doing in Armenia will always be free to every amputee in Armenia. Everything we do abroad is to create income, and that income that can actually lead us to self-sufficiency, so that we don't always rely on donations, but we can actually provide job places, we can actually create 3D printing programs and, as I said, job placements for amputees and veterans.
Moving to a new country means creating something new. It's so easy to create an ecosystem and find like-minded people in Armenia, because it doesn't matter if we lived abroad or lived our whole lives here, we all have this need and purpose to create something greater than us, and truly meeting each other, just the network gets bigger and bigger every single day. So fear not. Coming to Armenia, not knowing anyone is completely okay. I myself can vouch for that. You can find.
Yeah.
Do you guys have competition in Armenia?
No.
Nobody does this?
Nope. Prosthetic covers are a very new thing. There are maybe like 2 or 3 companies in the whole world that are right now producing this. It's a very new field. Nope. This might actually be like a piece of motivation and encouragement for everyone. That firstly, when you come to Armenia, there are a lot of things that you can do. There's a great support system as well that you can rely on, and more importantly as well, it doesn't necessarily have to be from your field. So both Heike and I are completely new to this industry. We've been, we've been on a very steep learning curve for over a year now, and we keep on learning and we keep on finding new people. And I think that is meant to motivate everyone. That like you can come to Armenia, you can get your projects done. It takes some patience, it takes a lot of energy, but you can get to, you can really affect that change that you want to see in this country.